Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial race, and in this video tutorial series you are learning about WordPress. So in the last video we had covered how to install theme, and in this video I'm going to show you that how theme customization work. Remember, this customization varies from theme to theme. So suppose this theme has this menus, but it's possible that other themes may or may not have this kind of menus, or maybe some the other themes may have some extra options. For example, if you click on activate this theme and now click on customize, then it may have different option. Okay, so let's start by this. Then click on site identity, and then you can upload here logo also. So say, just let me upload tutorial please. Slow. Okay, so click on select logo and then upload files. Go to desktop, and then must be logo here. So it's here. Now click on select, and then this is my logo. Crop image. Okay, the logo has appeared here as expected. Also, you can change site title and tagline also. If you remember, we had changed this in from the settings section, settings, then general section. We had changed this. So apart from there, you can change these options from here also. Learn WordPress easily. So if you change here, then in the right side you can change. You see the changes. So learning is easy. And apart from that, you can, there is an option. For example, if you don't want to show these two options, then simply just untick these and only the logo, the image will display here. So if you want to display this one, then it will display. If you don't want to display or simply show the display tagline, then you can just click on this. And also apart from this, you can also set icon. So what is that? If you see here, you can see the YouTube logo, the small one, the icon. So if you want to upload a different icon from here, then you can upload icon. So normally the size would be 512 pixels. Okay, so in that case it will display like this small icon. I'm talking about this icon, this icon. So you can change the icon from here by uploading image. Okay, and then publish. So if you want to get back, then just click on this, and then now header image. If you want to upload a different header image, then you can select here, or upload a different header image, then crop image, and the header image is finally uploaded here. And you can add more than one image and a randomize. That means every time the page is refreshed, a new image will appear here if you click on randomize. So since there is only one image, so it will display only one image. Suppose I want to display more than one image. Let's go to C drive, and then web, Windows, web. So not that one actually, interesting. So I want to display this image also. So if you click on randomize, that means it will display turn by turn. Okay, so every time you will refresh, so randomly it will load the header image. So let's publish it and then go back. Now the next thing is header, sorry, background. So you have different options here. For example, if you want to change the background color, then the background color can be changed from here. So black, so there are different color, so you can change the color from here as per your requirement. And apart from that, you can also upload image, background image. Suppose you want to display this background image, then the background image it will display like this. You want to remove, simply click on this and the image will be removed, and click on publish, and then now get back again. Now the menus, the menu section we will cover in a separate video, so and widgets also, but so I'm going to cover the home page setting. Okay, but before that, let's understand one thing. Suppose in this theme you can see the latest post is displaying here, but there are some cases that you want to show the static home page. There are some cases when you want to display the static home page, that means the fixed home page and not the latest post. So in that case you can change here, add static page. So go to home page settings, and but before that let me create one page, uh, say home page, home page. So this will be my home page. Okay, so this is my home page. Uh, so, okay, okay. So this is my home page, and this page I want to display when my WordPress website loads. So what I will do, go to appearance and then widgets, sorry, customize, and then home page settings, and then static page, and then select here the page we just created, home page. Okay, so click on publish, and you can see the home page is now the fixed one, this one. Okay, so this home page things you can also change from settings. Okay, so if you go to reading and then static page, so apart from customize, you can change the homepage settings from homepage static homepage from settings also. So settings and then general and then static page, and you can select here the homepage and save the changes, and you will see the static homepage. So let's see a few more things in customize, and then there is theme option. So layout, how do you want to show left sidebar? Yeah, the side which is showing the left side, right sidebar. So it's very easy. You can check yourself. It's not very, and also it depends on theme to theme. Okay, the premium theme may have many other options, but free themes may have some less option. So if you explore, then you can you know uh, change the things. Okay, so that's it, and in the next video we will cover a few more things like widgets. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.